Let's walk through how I created this bridal shower invitation in Templett to give it a seasonal refresh. I'm going to start with this stock template because I just don't like starting from scratch. It's already cute, but I'm going to add a few personal touches. First, I'm updating the copy at the top to say, "You're invited to a." Now I'm changing the font for shower, switching it to Yasiva 1 to make it a little bolder. I like how that looks, so I'm changing the name font too, just to match. Next, I'm updating this line to say, "Join us for an evening of love, laughter, and celebration." I want to keep it in all caps, so I'm clicking on text case and choosing uppercase. Now for a seasonal detail, I'm heading to elements, grabbing this pretty flower and placing it in the lower left corner. I'll resize it to make it fit just right. Let's add some color. I'm using the eyedropper tool to match shower to the flower and doing the same for the name. Then just right click and from the menu that pops up, select add background color. I'm going with a lighter shade of the same purple to tie everything together. And that's it. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to create beautiful designs like this, head over to Template and start designing today.